Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily enable or disable low ink notice on your BROTHER DCP-T510W. So as you guys can see here, we have the entire menu. So now we need to click on the menu here, go to maintenance and scroll a bit down until you see ink low notice. Now simply click OK, and here now it's off, but if you want to enable it, simply click on this little arrow and click OK. Now it says accepted, and after we enter the settings again, we can see right here that it's on the on option now, so it's enabled. But if we want to disable it, simply go to off, click OK, and then the changes will be accepted again. As you guys can see, it worked, so that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.